Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. A few years ago, Jamaican YouTube was mostly pranks, vlogs, and lifestyle content. Then something shifted. Instead of viral challenges, we started seeing viral kindness. Creators began entering deep rural communities, inner city corners, homes without roofs, elders sleeping on bare boards. Cameras captured children without school supplies, families cooking outside on makeshift fires, homes destroyed by flood, hurricane, and viewers responded. They donated, they shared, they supported. That's when Humanitarian YouTube, Jamaica, became more than a trend, it became a lane. Let's talk about some of the creators driving this wave. You have creators like Colaz Smith TV, Kino Life in Jamaica, Jahvonii Vlogs, Anty Donna, Streetz Struggle, Shan Zen Zen, Rocking with Mrs. Ellis, each with different styles, but one common theme, showing the reality many Jamaicans live every day. Some focus on feeding programs, some rebuild homes, some highlight forgotten senior citizens and cook food for them, and some focus on street survival. And whether you agree with their methods or not, one thing is undeniable. They've made poverty visible, and visibility changes conversations. Let's break this down seriously, because impact matters. These creators have raised millions in donations collectively, rebuilt homes, supplied food to struggling families, paid medical bills, sent children back to school. But beyond the material help, they've restored dignity. When a forgotten grandmother gets a bed for the first time in 3 years, that moment lives online forever. When a young man sleeping on cardboard gets assistance, that story inspires thousands. Humanitarian YouTube has turned subscribers into supporters. Not everyone supports this movement. Critics ask, is poverty behind exploited for views? Are thumbnails too dramatic? Should suffering be monetized? And here's the uncomfortable truth. YouTube pays for views. So when a video about a struggling family hits 500,000 views, revenue is guaranteed. Now the real question is, can content be both compassion and profitable? Or does profit automatically cancel out purpose? This is where the debate lives. Some say these creators are filling a gap government systems fail to close. Others say structural change is needed, not viral charity. Here's what can't be ignored. Humanitarian YouTube has forced Jamaica to look at itself. It has sparked national conversations, encouraged diaspora involvement, pressured community leaders, inspired small creators to give back. It has also changed how storytelling works in Jamaica. This is not polished TV studio journalism. It's raw, it's unfiltered, it's sometimes uncomfortable, but it's real. And in 2026, it's one of the strongest content categories on Jamaican YouTube. So here's the final question. Are these creators doing what government won't? Or are they simply showing us what we've ignored? Is this a temporary wave or a permanent shift in Jamaican media? One thing is certain, Humanitarian YouTube is no longer a side category. It's a movement, and CCN Worl TV News will continue to watch it closely. Tell us in the comments, are these creators heroes? Or is there more to the story? This is CCN Worl TV News, your premier source.